Let's start with opening the navigation pane. To open up the navigation pane, just go to View, Sidebar, Navigation. Once it's open, you'll be able to click through the different standards to edit just the ones that you want to. To expand and collapse categories, just click on the arrows. To expand the navigation pane, just click and drag the border. To insert a picture, go to Insert, Picture, Picture from File. You can select whatever picture you want, and usually it'll size itself to fit on the page, like you can see here. Now, when you're modifying pictures and scans, you can use a JPEG or a PDF file, any format really. But with PDFs, note that only the first picture or only the first page is going to come out. Usually I recommend when you scan documents, you scan to JPEG so that each different page saves as a separate JPEG file. Once there, you can adjust, like I'm doing right here, and cut out the borders so that your scan fits right onto the page. So when you're inserting scans, a lot of times it'll include the border of whatever page you've scanned. And since we already have a border in the template, you can remove those borders by using the crop tool. So all you have to do is go to Picture Format and then select the crop tool like I have here. Once there, you can adjust the page so that it fits right underneath the standard description, and it always looks nice to center it. Okay, you can rotate your pictures if you need to. To save your document, go to File, Save As, and then in the File Format drop-down menu, select PDF. Now it's really important that you select Best for electronic distribution and accessibility, because that's going to keep that navigation pane so that when you export it to PDF, you can still access the navigation pane and click through it. So you're going to open your document in Adobe Reader, and once you click the little bookmark tab on the side, all of those different standards are going to pop up, so you can just click through them as needed. And this is what your NACI assessor is going to see. So make sure your computer is set up with Adobe Reader so that when your assessor comes, you can just open up your document and they can click through for as long as they need to. Now I'm going to show you how to edit collaboratively using Google Docs. So first you want to open up Google Drive. You can do this from your Gmail inbox. As long as you have a Gmail account, you can go up here to this menu and click on Drive. Once you're in Google Drive, you can upload your template document. Just go to New, File Upload, and select your document. So select Open with Google Docs. You can do that by right-clicking or by double-clicking the file. And here we go. For mine, the outline popped up immediately, but if it doesn't, you can go to View, Show Document Outline, and it'll show you that navigation pane just like we had in Microsoft Word. So saving in Google Docs happens automatically, which is why I recommend it. Okay, so right here I'm going to type something out. All right, and let's make sure that worked. So we're going to go back to it. Let's open it back up. Let's go back to that standard. And there it is. So if you want to edit collaboratively, all you have to do is go to Share at the top right corner of the page. And once you're in that window, you can select what privileges you want to give somebody, whether they can edit, comment, or view. and you can add in their email addresses here. Right? Make sure that they're notified by checking that notify box, and then share it, and they'll get an email inviting them to edit. To download your completed file, all you're going to have to do is go to File, Download, and select Microsoft Word. Okay, so mine downloaded pretty quickly. Open that up. Okay, and here we are in Microsoft Word. And as you can see, when you go to the navigation pane, all those standards are still there to click through. If you have any questions, please email me. My email address is portfoliotemplates@gmail.com.